Oh well, so here we are people on the 8th of May 2019, and this is the time of year where you can get bargain potatoes. Look at that, 70% off all seed potatoes. Oh, there you go, look, in this case 50% off. We got here Maris Piper, come with focus, Maris Piper main crop, 50% off, 2 kilos. Aaron Pilot, 50% off, 2 kilos. What's down here? Piccolo Star second earlies, 50% off, and Maris Piper again, 50% off. Desiree, whatever. Yeah, so some good bargain potatoes. I mean, setting them this, it's generally a bit late to be setting potatoes, but at this price, might be worth a punt, But yeah, I mean, most people have set their spuds by now. I certainly have, but good price, really. I mean, I don't think one can complain at that, and even better, one can't complain at this look either. So you've got main crop King Edward 10 tubers, 50% off. So it would have been £3, now £1.50. Worth a go, isn't it? Really, a bit of a bargain potatoes. Oh look, there you go, bargain shallots as well. Onions. Yeah, look, asparagus, look down there. Asparagus. Onions. Oh, different potatoes, look. International. It's intriguing. International kidney, 10 tubers. Blimey. One could spend a lot of time looking at potatoes, couldn't they? But, I mean, whole sort of section here of bargain potatoes. And onions and shallots and asparagus, and there you go, look. Dahlias, lilies, begonias. Yeah, I mean, you can't really. That's good, isn't it? Agapanthus, they're lovely, they are. I love those. Well, I love everything here, to be honest. Cosmic, blimey. Albus, Agapanthus, geraniums, Brookside. Now these I know from personal experience. A friend of mine has got some of these. These are the permanent geraniums, the long-term ones, hardy geraniums, whatever you want to call them. Lovely colour these are. Brookside geranium. I can recommend those. If any of you want to see what one of these actually looks like, I mean, I'm sure there's plenty on the internet that you can find, but when it comes into bloom later in the year, if I remember, I'll film it and I'll show you, but it's a nice variety. Johnson's Blue as well, geranium up there, dahlias, there you go, look, dahlias, spiraxis, dahlias, yeah, I mean, look, shop about and be a bit patient, can be worth it, waiting for various bits and bobs. More here as well, 50% off. Little veg trug, look. Imagine it if you only had room for this and you wanted a nice high up veg trug in your garden. Okay, isn't it? Grow a fair bit in there, really. A bit of organisation. Oh, we all like a bit of this, don't we? Here you go. This is a bit of that Chelsea Flower Show favourites. I love this. This geranium. What is it? Dear. Ingwersen's variety. Wow. And flowers, beautiful, isn't they? All sorts here. Got some beauties, I love these. What are they? Oh dear. Jum, Mrs. Bradshaw. Lovely colour flowers. Beautiful, aren't they? Look at that. Oh, hydrangeas. Oh. Wow. I think I'm going to just be enjoying the colours in the case of these right now. Oh, look at them beauties. Oh, look look at that. Look at them. Lovely colours. Oh man, plethora, look at them begonias. Oh, Sonetti. It's lovely here, isn't it? Look at that colour. Petunias. Nice little soft fruit collection here. Let's go try and find their blueberries. Look at that, look. Edible stuff. Let's look at the edible stuff, shall we, before we run out of memory. Got the old tomatoes. Salads, blah-de-blahs. Starter plants. So if you don't want to grow from seed, look, you can just buy the plants. What have we got here? Oh yes, blueberries. Rhubarb. Just going to walk along here so you can see cabbages. I personally prefer to grow my stuff from seed, but it's not everybody's bag, and not everybody's got the time, patience, nor the want to do it. And buying starter plants can be a nice, good way of getting into stuff, or doing it if you want to do it that way. No right or wrongs. Okay, got to go. Running out of memory. If you like my work, please feel free to like, share, and subscribe. See you next time.